Today we will learn benefits of yoga.
Benefits of yoga. Yoga is a mind and body practice. Various styles of yoga combine physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation or relaxation. Yoga is an ancient practice that may have originated in India. It involves movement, meditation, and breathing techniques to promote mental and physical well-being. Five yoga benefits. 1. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. 2. Yoga helps with back pain relief. 3. Yoga can ease arthritis symptoms. 4. Yoga benefits heart health. 5. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Yoga is an old discipline from India. It is both spiritual and physical. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise, and meditation. It helps to improve health and happiness. Yoga is the Sanskrit word for union. 7 most popular types of yoga: Hatha yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Bikram yoga, Iyengar yoga, Kundalini yoga, Restorative yoga, Yin yoga.
One. Hatha yoga. The regular practice of Hatha yoga enhances strength, flexibility, and balance, and may offer some light to moderate aerobic conditioning as well. Depending on the style practiced, other benefits may be gained from incorporating breath work, pranayama, and meditation as part of or in addition to a Hatha yoga practice. 2. Ashtanga yoga. Improve flexibility. As with most forms of yoga, Ashtanga will gradually improve your flexibility over time. Increase strength, increase muscle tone, improve cardiovascular fitness, reduce body fat, reduce stress and anxiety, increase focus and creativity. 3. Bikram yoga builds strength, flexibility, balance, and tremendous endurance, prevents chronic illnesses and injuries, weight loss and toning, improves posture, promotes better sleep, deep sense of well-being, vibrant health, and a peaceful mind, teaches you to breathe fully and correctly. 4. Iyengar yoga. Tone muscles. In addition to stretching your muscles, the physical demand of holding each pose will help you build strength in both body and mind. A calmer mind, pain relief, improved posture, protection from disease, improved breathing. 5. Kundalini yoga. I have noticed over the years many subtle benefits to practicing Kundalini yoga, such as nervous system. Kundalini yoga strengthens your nervous system, willpower, brain power, creativity, all-embracing, awakened intuition, wise choices. 6. Restorative yoga. As the name suggests, this style of yoga restores the body to its parasympathetic nervous system function, which, in turn, helps the body rest, heal, and restore balance by allowing time for longer asana postures or pauses and deeper breathing. Restorative yoga helps elicit the relaxation response. 7. Yin yoga reduces stress and anxiety, helps to promote mindfulness, improves joint mobility, improves flexibility, elongates and stretches tight muscles, can promote feelings of deep calm. This video is and here please like, subscribe and share and be healthy.